Just leaving Beatty, Nevada. Had a lovely stay there, the Wild West Cabin number 1. Madam in the pilot's seat. I'm navigating just 6 minutes past 8 in the morning, so we got up and we goed. Just past my first brothel. It looked a bit run down though, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
Angie's Ladies, it was called. Didn't get it on video in time. However, we got a nice route, 70 miles an hour. First stop is 47 miles. We're going to turn left to Leader, pass back into California from Nevada. We're really early. The journey is about 3.5 hours. We can't get there at 11:30, so Teresa wants to go off piste a bit and go to bristlecones, pines, trees, and have a goo.
We saw a guy, an American guy, that actually photobombed one of my sunset pictures in Zabriskie.
Yeah.
And I got a bit sort of not narky with him, but I was a bit sarcastic, like, mate, get out my shot or turn around and give me a selfie. And you know, we had a bit of a giggle. Anyway, he was we got chatting and we told him they were going to Mammoth, and all three of them were like, are you going to Bristlecones? And we were like, no,
never heard of it.
And we have researched the hell out of our trip, and nowhere has Bristlecones come up in conversation on Google searches, anything like that. And apparently they're 4,000 old trees. So
She means years.
4,000 years old trees. So it's only about a 27-minute diversion off our route when I realised we were going past it. The best time to go would obviously be sunset, sunrise or astro. However, we're just going to have to do it in the heat of the day, but there's a nice little trail there. And lo and behold, the day after these guys told us about it, we follow this Welsh guy called Alan Wallace on Instagram and YouTube. Lo and behold, he'd been there literally days ago and taken a Milky Way and done some star trails on it.
Lo and behold.
Yeah, lo and behold. And he'd been to Joshua Tree as well, so, and Death Valley, so I think we're stalking him.
Yeah.
But we're not.
No.
So yeah, that looks pretty cool. But he went up there for Astro, which we are not doing.
Is it too far away?
I don't know from our digs, actually.
Why are you saying we're not doing it then?
At Astro, I don't know. I think it's a bit of a gnarly drive, so we'll see what it's like during the day. But there are plenty of other things to do up at Mammoth, so while we're going past it as well. So yeah.
We've got a bit of a convoy behind us.
I know, and I'm touching 67.
Yeah, speed limit 70, so not 70 plus 10, as Teresa always adds 10 miles an hour to the speed limit.
I do.
But mind you, I was doing 80 coming back yesterday morning.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll check in later. Ciao.
He's not going for it.
Boring. We've got this big Winnebago behind us. I don't really want to film while he's up our jack seat.
It's clear as day, and I'm slowing down.
He's going now.
He's going. Right, I'm going to slow down. Oh, and he's towing as well.
This is what Teresa would like.
What's he towing? Or a little car?
A little.
Well, that's not a little car.
Well, it's a 4-door sedan.
My word.
Yeah. So Scottish Junction. I wonder what's
Right,
Scottish.
slow down to just from 60 to let him pass.
Yeah, that's cool. Look closely, Teresa's getting a giddy on because you can see Diddy Joshua trees. And we're just saying how we would like to go back to Josh. Probably not Death Valley in a hurry because we've done that now twice. But Joshua Tree, defos. In fact, I should go on your side because, sorry, excuse me.
Right, chuck.
Joshua Tree is there, and there's a biggie for here. Obviously, they're bigger in the national park down south.
Yeah,
but,
definitely.
but yeah, it's just random. We've not seen any for hundreds of miles. There they are. Yeah, the Winnebago overtook the lorry in front as well soon after I finished recording, which was a squeaky bum moment. So yeah, just coming to the top of this hill, we passed some free range cows that weren't very interested in us. The car struggled to get up here. It was quite it wasn't that steep actually, it was gradual. But we've come over the crest.
Leader Summit, elevation 7,400.
Oh.
Is that feet?
Yes.
That's snow on the mountain.
That is snow on mountains into the distance. Downhill then, I guess. That's got us through that pass. 7,400, wow.
And then we're going to be climbing again.
Well, yeah. What's Mammoth? It's about 77, isn't it? 78?
I thought it was 8 something.
Oh, okay. But yeah, nice vistas. Yo. still in Nevada, not far from California, several miles. Nice views of the snow-capped mountains. Joshua trees, quite a few, bushier out here than there were on the desert road. So we're enjoying those too. Seen another family of cows, a cute with a baby.
Yeah.
The trees are all giddy. But yeah, we're hoping for a good California sign tonight.
I'm not hoping at
We've
all.
not had one, and if there is one, we'll pull over and have a selfie. Yeah, so we want to look out for that now.
Blue sign up ahead advising that's going to be leaving Nevada.
Yeah, we're just crossing into California. There's right hand bend. Yeah, that's going to be the Nevada sign. Right, we're in Nevada. We're in Nevada. We're in Nevada.
Not
No
that
use
one.
of how. Bugger.
I've got nobody around me, so
Yeah.
there's no right down.
Speed limit 65.
Well, that's our leaving
This looks like a
Nevada
sign.
sign.
This is it.
Is there anything about California?
Nevada, you are leaving Nevada. More gunshots. Welcome to California. We'll have it. Oh yes. Well done, Boo Boo. Thanks for visiting Nevada. You are welcome. Alright. So we're nearly in California. Right, so we went out and got our selfie.
Yeah.
We were very pessimistic, thinking
Very.
there wouldn't be a sign at all, but no, pleasantly surprised. Well done, California. Finally, you
Well
have
done,
redeemed
California.
yourself. Oh, not 2 cars.
Two. That's cool.
Get
Oh
out.
no. Should I get out?
Nah,
No, I may as well sit
wait
there.
now. So, yeah, very nice sign. Very giddy. About to go over the cattle grid. That splits the state line. Let's do it. Clear up and down.
Phew.
Got some crisps at the boot.
He is munchy.
And we're in California.
California.
Woo! Alright. The road goes
That's
round
us,
to the
California now, till we go.
left. Yeah, staying in California the whole time now for the next 5 days. Come off the main road to do this Bristlecone Pine Tree Forest thing. So I'm also noticing a big lens, but yeah, not too far now. It's a bit of a windy uphill road. We're above
Wow, look at the view.
yeah, we're above 9,000 feet. We might hit 10,000 by the end of this road because we just keep going up and up and up. But yeah, beautiful views. There was a scenic viewpoint. Scenic view. Vista Point.
Sierra. So they are the Sierras.
Right.
I'm not going to stop, but
Okay.
wow. Okay.
So get a pano on that.
Oh yeah.
Very good. Onwards and upwards. We've got some little beavers.
They look like beavers, but we know where no water.
We've stopped off at Bristlecone. I'm having a real issue. There we go. So yeah, we're up at just about 10,000 feet, and we've only come up from the car park, which is down there somewhere beyond that hillock. And we're just out of breath. Can't
Coming
move.
out now. Hi. Put the camera down and put your big camera up.
Right, well here's the GoPro. It's recording.
Cool. Hi, you coming out to see us? Hello. Oh, your mate's running. Well, I don't think they're beavers. They've got like a skinny tail. Oh,
What?
I think there's another one coming out.
Okay.
Oh, so there's two there. Hi. You're a scrawny little tail, some sort of rodent. Off you go. Are you up on the log now? Posing for Jimbo? Oh, good boy. And girl, I think you're man and woman, male and female. Are you coming out now too? Your tail's a bit bushier. Yeah, you got bushier tail, you have. Pose for the camera. Good. Oh, is that a wee wee, or are you just sitting down? Okay, you're doing a wee wee. Oh, you're pretty, aren't you? Posing for us.
Well, I think I've got enough of them bits.
Okay.
You carry on if you want.
This is yeah,
Running away.
a bit of a change from what we've had for the last 8 nights.
Yeah, it's gone in left-hand log.
Yeah, this is quite a nice welcome change.
Yeah.
Let's do a quick change into leggings because it's gone down to, what did we say, 11 degrees.
Yeah. 19 for the last few thousand feet.
Yeah.
Just,
It is.
It's pleasant.
It's
11.
pleasant.
It feels warmer than 11.
I couldn't be in a t-shirt, hoodie and leggings defo, but yeah, these trees are pretty cool. Yeah, there's a big old vista coming up with a bench, which will be welcome because we are both suffering with altitude.
Yeah.
Both breathing heavy. I was a bit of a mouth breather eating my cereal bar, so I think we might
Through there.
take advantage. Wow, life down under.
That's the only mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might have to sit down.
Yeah. And there is snow up here.
We're going to come about 400 yards.
Oh, yeah, we are. It's a mile loop and we're thinking, oh, we'll do that.
Really?
I think we might take us maybe 2 hours. It recommends an hour for it.
But
But
we're not used to this.
we are not used to this. We must be up at what, 9,000? 10,000?
Well, we passed 9,000.
We passed 9,000. Wow. Yeah, it's quite welcome to stop every, I don't know, 5 feet. Yeah, but it is beautiful. And we believe it's not been open, the road, very long. The visitor centre's not even open yet. Oh, I think we're going to sit on this bench for a little bit, catch our breath. It's not steep. It's just, God, altitude. But you can see we're going to head up there. There's another sign up there, so the path goes around. So we will check in after we've caught our breath. Another cracking view. Never get sick of them. I'm going to come about 5 feet.
Yeah.
Excuse the panting. Let's come across this beauty. Another bench. I see a bench. We're bench stopping at the moment.
We are.
Every bench we see, we just have a little sit. There's a little chipmunk. I don't know if he's going to cross our path or not. He was coming along next to us. They're so quick.
Yeah.
So quick. Oh, he's off down there now. We've just seen a sign saying trail summit 100 yards, which was very, very welcome. Yeah. I've never seen Jimbo like this. Me, yeah, because I'm hanging. I'm not as fit. But oh my God, I've never seen him.
Sense of humour-phobia, not a good time. Shove a camera in my face.
But we keep stopping.
Yeah.
We're taking it easy. Yeah. Yeah, it's a big gnarly. Well spotted. I never saw that. I was too busy looking at the chipmunk.
Yes. The chipmunks keep dashing about.
They do.
But it's so quick you can't get a good
No, he can't.
photo.
James has got his telephoto, so you never know. If we see one and it stands still for a split second, we might get it. But all right, let's carry on.
Aye.
Here we go. On the path. On the path. On the path. To the left of the path. He's peeking his nose out. Here we go. Oh, twitching. I can see the tail going. Wow. It's gone back into the bush. There we go. Oh, under there.
Yeah.
Gone back into his dead bush.
Chance.
Oh, there we go.
Lost it.
Just in case he comes up. But I don't think he will. They're not as friendly as Zion. And Zion, when we did the Narrows, they were trying to eat out of James's backpack. Oh, there he goes. On there. budging, posing. Oh, you're posing for us. There's two. There's another one to the right.
I think I got him.
He's coming up here on the path. Yeah, he's gone. We think we found a big gnarly. We're heading down. Gorgeous views. I said gorgeous views.
Yeah.
We're not sure if this is the big gnarly that everyone takes a photo of, or maybe it's on the longer trail that we're not doing today. But either way, they're still impressive to be 4,000 years old. Well, I think we've seen one that's 3,200 years old on this trail. Alright, I'm going to concentrate now. Found big gnarly. I think this is the one. It's got Sierras in the background, so I might get a bit of a better view, but this is the one that they all have with the Milky Way. So actually you could have come up the trail the opposite way and you wouldn't have had to do the whole thing. A little tip. But yeah, we're pretty sure this one's it. So hi. Yeah, because we're down low, the tree's up high, which is perfect for Milky Way action. See if I can get a photo. Oh yeah. You beauty. What's this?
Oh, it's closed after 10 p.m. Weem.
Oh, off trail photography. So you could do it, but you got to stay on the trail.
Yeah, but the trail's closed after 10 p.m. You won't get your Milky Way.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, Alan Wallace, how did he get that then?
Yeah.
Naughty.
Heading back down from Bristol Pine Forest National Park in Indio County, California. So it's taking nice and steady. That path that we took for the dope gnarly tree, it's only open 6 till 10, 6 in the morning till 10 in the evening, so I don't know how all these Instagrammers are getting dope footage of the gnarly tree plus the Milky Way. Yes. Maybe a naughty that's going on.
I'm going to have a go at a compliment and say that I will say it's a compliment. See how my Photoshop skills.
So A, she doesn't get put on the Fed's top 10 most wanted. And B, because I think Teresa would like to have got a shot. But it's too far and too dark and too windy for us to come out from Mammoth Lakes. But we've done it.
Yeah.
We're going to head to Big Pine, Bishop, and head left for Mammoth Lakes. Take it nice and easy. We're going to stop off for some lunch because we're both a bit hungry. So see you later. Let's leave you with this lovely view.